Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's tip: address your content to what your customers care about. Now, it can be tempting to want to address your content in terms of your experience as a business owner, what you think your competitive advantages are over other people in your field, but that might not be what your customers care the most about. Do yourself a favor and organize your website's content to address customers' common pains. That way, the customer will get to your website and know, this is exactly addressing my issue, and want to move forward and discover the solutions that you have to offer. And then that way, they can find out what makes you competitive on their own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.